Alright guys, after a whole 10 or more minutes of fiddling, and again I do not recommend you do this because it was really hard. I had to use a whole bunch of tools here to pry this open, and I obviously devastated it. So let's see what's inside. What you have is this little thing here. This rubber piece was the button for the Sonicare. Then on inside here you see there's a copper coil, very interesting, and this is the other copper coil, and I imagine that this is for the Qi charging because it charges wirelessly. You just put this on top of its charger like this and it charges up. Now as you can see inside there's two batteries. Let me see, 1200. It's nickel metal hydride. I'm not exactly sure how many volts because it doesn't really say, but its capacity is the 1200 mAh. Alright, interesting. As far as the motor and all that is concerned, I'm not sure. This is obviously where the button, you press on this button and it sends the current. It tells the machine to the batteries to send the current to it, and then it starts vibrating. And I guess there's a capacitor in there. I think this is a capacitor, and somehow it tells it to run for a certain amount of time. That's the best I can work out from here, and it's really hard to take even this part out. So I was actually lucky to be able to take that off without damaging all the parts in here. But I'm not sure how I'm going to get the rest of it out to see what's going on the other side. But anyway, they went to some serious lengths to protect the device on the inside, obviously, and possibly keep some trade secrets, I'm not sure. Anyway, there's a QR code here, which is kind of interesting. Sure if you guys can see. But yeah, that's Sonicare, that's what's inside. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if I can get the other part without breaking it, I will post that in the next video.